Hi, I'm Darrell Stafford with Catalysis FX tooling, and I'd just like to show you a couple of examples of our tooling. And the reason why we started this company was the opportunity to reduce cost and time for tooling because it's very expensive prototype and low volume tooling. This one here is one actually from 4 years ago we started the company. It's a polymer print, it works well, it forms some parts. Today we're moved on to different 3D printing technology. We print 70 inches by 39 inches in 18 hours. So this print took just a few hours. We have a proprietary coating system that then we thermoform these parts by the end of the week. So yeah, we made a lot of advancement in 3D printing tooling to reduce cost and time. We'll be having some other videos. People specifically talk about cost and time reduction. But these types of tools, we actually have 7 different demo tools. If you're interested, give us a call and you can try it out for yourself.